Continuous. Another difference between frontier and boundary. If I speak about boundary is a line. Boundary is a line. Boundary is a line. Boundary is a line without significant area. Without significant area. Without significant area. Spelling whole number by day. Boundary is a line without significant area. An interstate boundary. An interstate boundary. An interstate boundary in political geography, that means country. An interstate boundary cannot include material resources. Cannot include material resources. Cannot include material resources. Underline it. So resource which is in general naturally gifted, this is not included in boundary, but it is included in frontiers. Natural physical features that is included in frontiers but not included in boundaries. The boundary line not the natural material resource la ki hoy include no hoy. Kunla include hobo frontier hobo. Jula frontier area which is go frontier is area in different way. Somebody say it may be 1 kilometer, somebody say it may be 2 kilometers and 3 kilometers, but in natural physical features are included in frontiers. Yesterday we have discussed what is Alps. Alps is a boundary between France and Italy. Alps is a not boundary, it is a frontier between France and Italy. So Alps is necessarily existed. That is why frontier included the mountains, but it is not included in boundary lines. It is not included in boundary lines. Cannot be included in material resources. It cannot be populated. It cannot be populated. It cannot be populated. Cannot be populated. Nor can it be transitional. Nor can it be transitional. Nor can it be transitional. So this is the definition of boundaries. What is called boundaries? It cannot be populated. In a boundary line, no country, no people can be settled in a boundary. It also same in frontier regions also nobody can settle there. It is an unclaimed, unpopulated and a neutral zone. That is why it is called this buffer zones and buffer zone. কি কৈছিলো আমি যোৱাকালি এটো আনক্লেম কোনো ক্লেম কৰিব নোৱাৰে কোনো সেটেল কৰিব নোৱাৰে আৰু এইটো এটা কি হয় নিউট্ৰেল জোন কোনো কান্ট্ৰি এটা কি কৰিব নোৱাৰে বসবাস কৰিব নোৱাৰে দিস ইজ দি ফ্ৰন্টিয়াৰ বাউন্ডাৰীটো ৰব কি বাউন্ডাৰীটো সেম একে ধৰণৰ এটা লাইন থাকিব তাৰ পৰা কোনো কি কৰিব নোৱাৰে সেটেলমেন্ট বা এই ক্ৰছ কৰিব নোৱাৰে ইট প্ৰেজেন্ট এন এবৰাপ্ট it present an abrupt 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 bunk BUNK abrupt bunk between adjacent countries mind it adjacent countries between adjacent countries. Adjacent country means two countries were meet in a single line. Two countries meet in a single line. This is why, suppose this is Pakistan, this is India, the line where two countries meet. This is called adjacent abrupt parkland. বুজি পাইছে না যত দুখন দেশ কি হৈ যায় লগ লাগি যায় one country দুটা sovereignty যত লগ লাগি যায় তাকে আমি কি বুলি কওঁ boundary বুলি কওঁ. It is significant defined adjacent countries. It is specifically right. It is specifically designed to separate It is specifically designed designed to separate to separate and such as, defined to separate and such as, has no analog, analouge, an analog. In nature, where strictly linear boundaries, strictly linear boundaries, L-I-N-E-A-R, linear boundaries, strictly linear boundaries. বুজি পাইছা না linear boundaries? Linear means what? Align. Boundary is aligned. Linear boundaries are noticeably absent. N-O-T-I-C-A-B-L-Y, noticeably absent. Full stop. Noticeably absent. Full stop. Its purpose, P-U-R-P-O-S-E, purpose is not that of geographical frontier, not that of geographical frontier, which is now allow, which is to allow, not now, which is to allow, T-O, to allow, A-L-L-O-W, which is to allow the emergence of one set of physical conditions. The emergence of one physical frontier. Emergence of one physical frontier, which is allowed to emergence, M-E-R-G-E-N-C-E, which is allowed to emergence, of one set of physical conditions, with an other physical condition, with an other that is the passage of one physical environment to passage, P-A-S-S-A-G, passage of one physical environment to one physical environment to another. এটা প্ৰাকৃতিক পৰিৱেশৰ পৰা আন এটা প্ৰাকৃতিক পৰিৱেশলৈ, another, comma, but to make in no unmistakable manner the limit of the territory, in which the state exercises, EXERCISES, exercises its sovereign power, SOVEREIGN, sovereign power, with all the tapping, TAPPING, with all the tapping, which that which that exercise 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 carries with it carries caries carries with it exercise which is carries it with between frontier and boundary. Another difference between frontier and boundary. So this much is sufficient for the differences between frontier and boundary. Frontier and boundary karone ekhini pohile hobo. Jo kale ami duta definition disu noy line aru area majot aru aji jiru definition ei duita definition log logale tar difference to poa jabo. Prothom khini ami ki palu ami definitions of the frontier, definitions of the boundary. Eti ami ki palu difference between frontier and boundary. That means what? Frontier is a natural existence, boundary is a man-made. Frontier is natural existence, boundary is man-made. Frontiers, width of the frontier may be different. It may be 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. It is unclaimed, unsettled and unintruded. No countries, কোনো country tar bhitor khumabo নোৱাৰে eta area, but the boundary is the line among the frontier regions. If this is frontier, then this is the boundary where two sovereignty meet. So this is the no claim, no settle and unclaimed regions of the area. So this is the difference between frontiers and boundary. Ekhini pohile hobo frontier boundary karone